specifically what we have talked about human and computer. So what are their abilities, what are their limitations, right? Psychologically also we have seen, right? what what factors, human factors, ergonomics we have discussed, right? So what factors of human being human are affecting the design part? Then some of the social aspects we should be knowing, and this is again next important fact: human error. Okay. Similarly, for computers point of view, what are the capabilities, right? Or what we can do with the help of computers or machines. So capacity, right? What we can do. Then are there any limitations for the machines or the computers? Then what different tools are available or can be used along with the computers, right? What different platforms can be used along with the computers in order to have interactive systems. Okay. And then from interaction point of view, we have discussed again two important factors. If you people remember, gulf of execution and gulf of evaluation, or how we can create much more useful interaction, right? So this was just revision what we have covered till this point. Now, in this design process, we should first we should know what design is. Okay. So can someone tell me what do you mean by this term design? Or if someone asks you to define what do you mean by design, how you will say it? Or what you will say basically? What is design? How can we define? Hmm? Anyone?
Representation of whatever we are trying to build before it is actually built.
Representation in what form? Can you tell?
Visual form.
Visual. Okay. Fine. Fine. I will just redefine it. Okay. Maitre, whatever you said. So, uh, I could say design is the process of achieving the goal. We have talked about goal also previously. So it is the process of achieving goal within constraints. Okay. So we have some set of goals predefined, and in order to achieve that goal, we do some process, we do some stuff by considering the constraints. Okay. Now we can explore these two important terms from this. First, goal. ओके जब आप गोल के बारे में बात करते हो सोचते हो तो क्या आपको ध्यान में रखना है एंड कंस्ट्रेंट्स मतलब व्हाट काइंड ऑफ कंस्ट्रेंट्स पॉसिबली क्या क्या हो सकते हैं सो इफ आई से गोल मतलब क्या तो फर्स्ट थिंग आई वुड लाइक टू नोट डाउन आई विल से हियर गोल so first thing I think we should understand what is the purpose of designing something. Okay, क्यों बनाना है वो डिजाइन ओके और या व्हाट इज नीड देन सेकंड किसके लिए राइट फॉर whom you want to design the specific thing third why do they want it जो भी आप डिजाइन करने वाले हो जिसके लिए भी डिजाइन करने वाले हो वो किस चीज के लिए आई मीन किस यूज के लिए राइट व्हाई डू दे वांट इट फॉर these three important uh, factors we should consider when we talk about goal. Similarly, if I would like to note down about constraint, what I can say, I would again like to note down some of the factors. First, constraint matlab conditions, right? You all know this. So, if I want to talk about constraints, So constraint means first thing, what kind of material and what kind of standards, right? So maybe we are, every one of us or every designer rather is not always dealing with the material and standards. But we need to consider this. I will give example for this, so just hold on for that. Second thing, how much time, how much time I have in order to design specifically. Okay, and how much it will cost, right? Is it feasible for me to design or complete that design in the specific cost? Okay, so these are the factors, and one more, which is very important part to be considered. Are there any health related issues? Health as well as safety issues, right? जो भी आप डिजाइन करने वाले हो इससे रिलेटेड या उससे यूजर को या any other stakeholder who is not even going to use it directly, but are are this design going to cause any health or safety issues to that specific user or to that specific stakeholder? तो ये सारी चीजें आपको कंसिडर करनी है. नाउ मटेरियल एंड स्टैंडर्ड का एग्जांपल, अभी ये कुछ फिजिकल प्रोडक्ट्स के लिए पॉसिबल